certificate usiphethe isiphi certificate onaso certificate nje of architect roofing ayikho indlu okwazi ngeke uroofa ngisho itoilet ayikho into oyifunde even ukuroofa indlu enje ngeke uzokwazi uyiroof awuna certificate sakhona usuhlulo uthi ukungenzela iplumbing just 3 months wenze just iplumbing kuphela ke capha namasimba ngesandla lapha awunazo certificate but we as adults busy thina sifundisa abantwana ukuthi abadlala induku kulo mcimbi okhona lapha yana kunokuthi wena ngabe uphethe induku ufuna wena uphethe ivideo yakho undisisa idrone phezulu ufuna ngabe uphethe ivideo yakho ugaxa into zakho undisisa idrone phezulu that is what we need from you. That is what we need from you. Hayi ukuthi uyodlala induku. Who is paying you ukulimala? Who is paying you ukuthi ulimala kade udlala induku? But when you are coming emcimbini omkhulu kangaka with drones, you'll be flying a drone, you'll be visualizing lo mcimbi wonke. That will be beautiful. That will be beautiful. We are through technology that we've got today. Ungaba understanding. Ungaba nomcimbi omkhulu. Abantu abenza ama drones bayayazi into ekhuluma ngami. Ungaba nomcimbi omkhulu. Mase umuntu we drone akwakhele into esekuthiwa akubiyele umuzi wakho wonke zifana nala usho khona. Without putting a fence. Sinento esibiza ukuthi visual fencing. Through visual fencing angakwazi ukuthi akubiyele anyone who enter your who breach the drone border visual border izosho idrone ukuthi izomtshela isystem ukuthi kunomuntu ongenayo ngapha thereafter you focus not to send camera security guards you focus a camera at the side and you light up ebusuku. I repeat, visual fencing into esifuna ilonto abantwana benza ama drones special courses it's only 1 year if uzoyenza ngendlela right it's only 1 year thereafter ukwazi ukuthi usenzele into esibiza ukuthi visual fencing mengizoba nomcimbi menginomcimbi ne visual fencing I know la ngafuni khona abantu if mekhona umuntu ozakhona idrone isystem izongitshela kunomuntu lapha ya then sifocus ngakhona sikhanyisa light lapha ebusuku abaleke lo muntu nothi uthi sizoza sithola ucingo libiye yonke indawo no sifuna ukuthi ingane zethu zikhule to that level rather than ukuthi ingane yethu imiya kulo mcimbi iphethe induku ezu15 okoshaya ezinye ingane zabantu. That is a crime on its own that is celebrated on TV. That is a crime on its own that is celebrated on TV. Because if you are assaulting, you are not a specialist with this. We are not practicing what is called controlled sport.